Get in.
Get in.
Get in the car quickly.
Get in the car quickly.
Get out.
Get out.
Get out at the next stop.
Get out at the next stop.
Get on.
Get on.
We got on the bus at 8 a.m.
We got on the bus at 8 a.m.
Get off.
Get off.
Get off at the next station.
Get off at the next station.
Get around.
Get around.
It's easy to get around the city.
It's easy to get around the city.
Move in.
Move in.
They moved in last week.
They moved in last week.
Move out.
Move out.
She moved out of her apartment.
She moved out of her apartment.
Move on.
Move on.
Let's move on to the next topic.
Let's move on to the next topic.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Go ahead with your plan.
Go ahead with your plan.
Go by.
Go by.
Days go by so quickly.
Days go by so quickly.
Go down.
Go down.
The sun goes down at 7 p.m.
The sun goes down at 7 p.m.
Go up.
Go up.
Prices went up last month.
Prices went up last month.
Come in.
Come in.
Please come in and sit down.
Please come in and sit down.
Come out.
Come out.
The new movie comes out tomorrow.
The new movie comes out tomorrow.
Come across.
Come across.
I came across an old photo yesterday.
I came across an old photo yesterday.
Head for.
Head for.
We are heading for the beach.
We are heading for the beach.
Check in.
Check in.
Check in at the airport counter.
Check in at the airport counter.
Check out.
Check out.
We checked out of the hotel at noon.
We checked out of the hotel at noon.
Run into.
Run into.
I ran into my teacher yesterday.
I ran into my teacher yesterday.
Stop by.
Stop by.
I'll stop by your office later.
I'll stop by your office later.